Hi students, previous class we have discussed the derivative basic concept. So let's discuss again some basic concept about derivative topics which is already learned in first view. Okay. D. What is the first principle of derivative? F dash x equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. It is called first principle of derivative, which is denoted by like this also, dy by dx or y dash or dy. These are notations. Dy by dx means derivative of y with respect of x. Y dependent, x is independent. Okay. Dy by dx is nothing but slope of tangent. Is nothing but slope of tangent. Okay. There is a standard formulas we have discussed in first view and even yesterday also. Derivative of x raised to n equal to n into x power n minus 1. D by dx of x equal to 1. D by dx of x squared equal to 2x. D by dx of x cube equal to 3x squared. D by dx of 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x squared. Derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x squared. Derivative of x 1. Derivative of x squared 2x. Derivative of x cube 3x squared. Okay. And d by dx of 2 raised to x. Is it possible to apply this formula? Is it contain this formula? No. Because your base is variable, power is constant. But your base is constant, power is variable. So don't write like this x into 2 power x minus 1. This is the wrong way. Okay. So this has separate formula d by dx of a raised to x. A raised to x formula a power x into log a base b. Okay. D by dx of 2 power x. 2 power x. This is the form of this. A as a 2 raised to x equal to 2 power x into log 2 base e. Okay. D by dx of e power x. E power x. Here replaced by e power x log e base e. Log e base equal to 1. So which is equal to e power x into 1 equal to e power x. Okay. Derivative of sin x cos x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. Derivative of tan x secant square x. Derivative of cot x minus cosec square x. Derivative of sec x into tan x. Derivative of cosec x minus cosec x into cot x. You want? Now d by dx of k into f of x equal properties of algebra functions of derivatives. K take out k into d by dx of f of x. For example, d by dx of 5 cos x. 5 take out d by dx of cos x. So 5 into cos x derivative is minus sin x. Minus 5 sin x. D by dx of 5 because which is constant. The constant derivative is 0. If 1 is constant, the derivative is 0. But it is not constant. K into f of x, which is not constant function. So only constant take out function. Where is it that you can apply differentiation with respect of x. Next, the properties. D by dx, dy by dx. There are two functions. D by dx of u plus v. D by dx of u plus v equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Du by dx plus dv by dx. This is applicable for minus also. If minus is there, plus or minus. For example, this we can write like this: u plus v whole dash also. Dash means d by dx. Notation. This we can write u dash plus v dash. If it is minus also, we can write a minus. But apply differentiate separate if in between plus and minus operation is there. Example: d by dx of 5 cos x plus 7 tan x right? This is u and plus b. There are two functions here. Tell me d by dx of 5 cos x plus d by dx of 7 tan x. 7 tan x. Now this is again contain this property k into f of x. So 5 take out d by dx of cos x plus 7 take out d by dx of tan x. 5 into derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus 7 into derivative of tan x is secant square x. Secant square x. This is the answer, minus 5 sin x plus 7 secant square x. Next problem, d by dx of ax square plus bx minus c plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. Now there are u, v, w, more than one function there. Now how to plus there? So you have to spread the each and every function you have apply differentiation. D by dx of ax square plus d by dx of bx plus d by dx of c. In this, what is the constant? A. D by dx of x square. In this, b constant, d by dx of x plus the constant derivative is 0. Constant derivative is 0. A into derivative of x square is 2x plus b into derivative of x is 1. So the answer is 2ax plus b. 2ax plus b. Okay. Next question, d by dx of 2 power 3 cot x minus 2 tan x plus 1 by x. 3 cot x minus 2 tan x plus 1 by x. Splitting here, d by dx of 3 cot x minus d by dx of 2 tan x plus d by dx of 1 by x. You can write direct also. 3, we can write direct here. 3 into d by dx of cot x. Just for understanding, I am discussing basics. Okay. Minus 2 into d by dx of tan x plus 1 by x. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. The derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. How? X raised to minus 1. X raised to n form. Cot x derivative is 3 into derivative of cot x is minus cos x square x minus 2 derivative of tan x secant square x plus into minus 1 by x square. This is the differentiation of this. Here, after getting the concept, after this step you can write direct also. 3 cot x, 3 into cot x derivative is minus cos x square x minus 2 tan x derivative is secant square x plus 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Next, one more question. D by dx of e raised to x a power x x power a plus a power a. Right? D by dx e power x plus d by dx a power x plus d by dx of x power a plus d by dx of a power a. Tell me e power x derivative e power x plus a power x derivative a power x into log a base plus x power a x raised to n is in the form of x raised to n. X raised to n differentiation is n into x power n minus 1, where n is a into x power a minus 1 plus what about a power a? A power a x power a. Is it in the form of x raised to n? Here n is constant, okay, but here x base is variable, but here base is constant. Here both are constant. So both are constant means whole is constant. So this is constant, the constant derivative is 0. The most important thing. Ready for it? A power a is constant. X power a is not constant. This is the form of x raised to n. A raised to x is not constant. Base is constant. Power is variable. A raised to x form like this. Understood step? Ready for it? A power a constant is 0. Next, one more. D by dx of 3 by x minus 10 into x cube plus 5. 3 by x minus 10 x cube plus 5. Tell me here, d by dx of 3 by x, d by dx of 3 by x minus d by dx of 10x cube plus d by dx of 5. Okay, here constant 3 d by dx of 1 by x minus 10 constant d by dx of x cube plus 5 whole is constant, the constant derivative is 0. 3 into derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x squared. 10 x cube differentiation is 3x squared. So which is equal to minus 3 by x squared minus 30x squared. Next, d by dx of a naught plus a1x plus a2x squared plus a3x cube so on a100 x power 100. A100 x power, which is a polynomial. How to find? Separate and split d by dx of a naught plus d by dx of a1x plus d by dx of a2x squared plus d by dx of a3x cube plus so on d by dx of a100 x power 100. Here a naught is constant. The constant derivative is 0. In this constant is a1. Then d by dx of x plus in this constant and function is there. Constant take out a2 d by dx of x squared. a3 d by dx of x cube plus so on a100 d by dx of x power 100. 0 here a1 the derivative of x is 1 plus a2 the derivative of x square is 2x plus a3 derivative of x cube 3x square plus so on a100 derivative of x power 100 is 100 into x power 99. 100 into x power 99. There is definition of that. Next question. D by dx of x power 100 by 100 plus x power 99 by 99 x power 98 by 98 plus so on x plus 1. Okay. Differentiation by property u plus v whole dash equal to u dash plus v dash. D by dx of x power 100 by 100 plus d by dx of x power 99 by 99 d by dx of x power 98 by 98 plus so on d by dx of x plus d by dx of 1. Okay. Now, what is the constant here? 100. 1 by 100 take out. 1 by 100 d by dx of x power 100. Next, 1 by 99 d by dx of x power 99. 1 by 98 d by dx of x power 98 plus so on d by dx of x plus d by dx of 1. This question it was asked in the CET 2017 or 18. 1 by 100 x power 100 derivative 100 into x power 99, right, plus 1 by 99 x power 99 derivative is 99 x power 98 plus 1 by 98 x power 98 derivative is 98 x power 97 plus so on. X derivative is 1 plus 1 derivative is 0. This get cancelled, this get cancelled. X power 99 plus x power 98, x power 97 plus so on plus 1. This is the differentiation of this. This differentiation d by dx of u plus v or minus equal to du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. Right? Now the second property, multiplication d by dx of u into v. Here most of the students what they will do, du by dx into dv by dx. This is the wrong, because here plus, if minus is there, we can split, we can apply direct differentiation. But into is there, don't apply differentiation like this. So this is the wrong. Okay? So this is the wrong. So the d by dx of u into v equal to formula. Out of two functions, anyone you take, consider first function u into dv by dx. U into dv by dx. First function you take, consider constant as a constant, second v derivative, plus here what you apply differentiation, that one you take consider as constant v, second function u apply differentiation du by dx. U, the short form here, u v r, this we can write like this also. This is first and this is second also, because plus first you can write here v du by dx plus u dv by dx. V du by dx or u dv by dx, both anyone you can write first step, because plus will be there. A plus b equal to b plus c. Okay? Are you following? U dv by dx plus v du by dx or v du by dx plus u dv by dx. Okay? We can write another notation, uv dash equal to uv dash plus v dash. This is the product formula of differentiation of two functions. uv whole dash equal to uv dash plus v dash. V dash means dv by dx. U dash means du by dx. uv whole dash means d by dx of uv. This can be written as uv whole dash. dv by dx notation is v dash plus v du by dx is denoted by u dash. Okay? Now d by dx of sin x into log x. Here there are two functions. One of the function is sin x, another function is log x. So you should use uv formula. Okay? Tell me uv whole dash formula. uv whole dash equal to uv dash plus vu dash. Use this formula. Tell me u sin x. This is v dash log x whole dash, that can be written as d by dx of log x. V dash means d by dx plus v is log x. Next u d by dx of sin x. Okay, sin x into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of sin x is cos x. Understood? Sin x, where derivative that only can operate. This is derivative. Log x derivative is 1 by x. Log x constant here. D by dx of sin x is cos x. So this is the differentiation of this. Now uv whole dash equal to formula uv dash plus vu dash. One more problem. D by dx of ax plus b into cx plus d. Ax plus b into cx plus d. There are two functions here, u and v. Uv whole dash. Use this formula. U ax plus b. V dash d by dx of cx plus d plus v cx plus d into d by dx of u ax plus b. Ax plus b into this is how to find the differentiation of this u plus v method. U plus v. Separate d by dx of cx plus d by dx of d plus cx plus d into u plus v d by dx of ax plus d by dx of b. Right? Now ax plus b into c is constant, x derivative with respect of x is 1, c into 1 plus d derivative with respect of x is 0. Why? Because constant. Plus cx plus d into ax derivative is a into x derivative is 1 plus b derivative is 0. This also by multiplying here ax plus b into c plus cx plus d into a. We multiply it. Okay, this is the differentiation of this. Next, d by dx of 2 power x into e power x. 2 power x into e power x. This is also uv. Tell me u 2 power x into d by dx of v e power x plus v e power x into d by dx of 2 power x. 2 power x, derivative of e power x is e power x. Okay, and e power x, derivative of 2 power x is in the form of a raised to x. D by dx of a power x. D by dx of a power x formula a power x into log a base. So 2 power x derivative is 2 power x into log 2 base. This is also e power x take common 2 power x. Sorry, we can take common 2 power x into e power x also. We will get 1 plus log 2 base e. Next, d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c into tan x. This is considered as u. This is considered as b. Tell me uv whole dash formula. U ax square plus bx plus c into d by dx of tan x plus uv dash b tan x into d by dx of this tan x into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, now ax square plus bx plus c, derivative of tan x is secant square x. Now tan x into derivative of ax square, a is constant, the derivative of x square is 2x, means 2ax. B constant, derivative of x is 1 plus c constant, derivative is 3. This is answer. Differentiation, first you learn the differentiation. Simplification ladder. By multiplying we get it. How to do differentiation is important. Okay? D by dx of x raised to n into a raised to x. X raised to n into a raised to x. U x raised to n, v a raised to x. Tell me u x power n, v dash d by dx of a power x plus a power x into d by dx of x raised to n. X raised to n, a raised to x derivative is a raised to x into log a base b plus a power x power n derivative is n into x power n minus 1. Finish. This is next one, d by dx of 2 e power x into log x. 2 e power x into log x. 2 constant take out. D by dx of e power x into log x. 2 into u into v, e power x considered as u, v derivative v dash d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of e power x. 2 into e power x, derivative of log x is 1 by x. Log x, the derivative of e power x is e power x. Okay. Next, d by dx of x cube minus 3 into x e power x equal. First of all, this is in the form of u minus